Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Learning, your go-to channel for all things Excel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a pie chart, customize it like a pro, and share tips. So grab a coffee and let's get started. A pie chart is a circular chart divided into slices, where each slice represents a proportion of the whole. It's perfect for showing parts of a dataset. For example, you can use it to show sales distribution across regions. Let's create one step by step. Here's our data. First, highlight the data including the headers. Go to the Insert tab. In the Chart section, click Pie Chart and select your preferred style. And just like that, Excel creates a basic pie chart for you. If you like a more dynamic look, choose a 3D style from the pie chart options. Now comes to the fun part, customizing your chart. First, go to the Chart Design tab and from the Chart Style section, pick a style that is perfect for you. Let's say you want to change the pie chart title. Click on the default title that Excel adds to the chart. Type your custom title like Sales by Region. For more styling options, use the Home tab to adjust the font size, color and alignment. To add data labels, just right-click on the chart and select Add Data Labels to display the exact values or percentages on each slice. If you want to change colors, go to the Chart Design tab and click on Change Colors. Pick a color that matches your theme or branding. Here's something cool. Excel pie charts are dynamic by default. If you update your source data, like changing a value or adding a new category, the pie chart will automatically reflect the changes. Let's change our data and see what happened. Notice how the chart instantly updates. No extra steps are needed. This makes pie chart super useful for keeping your report up to date without manual adjustments. Want to emphasize a specific slice? Click on it, drag it out slightly, and it will explode for extra focus. You can also use percentage slices. Right-click the labels, go to the Format Data Labels, format them as percentages instead of row numbers for better clarity. You can use your pie chart in presentations or reports. Right-click and copy the chart into Word or PowerPoint. To save as image, right-click and select Save as Picture for use in emails or website. Here's a pro tip many forget. Avoid pie charts if you have too many categories or very small proportions. In such cases, a bar or column chart is easier to read. And that's how you can create and customize a stunning pie chart in Excel. I hope this guide helps you stand out with professional looking charts. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Easy Learning for more Excel tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.